What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. What's good? Hey guys, I wanted to shoot this video today because I wanted to talk. I seen something very disturbing on Facebook the other day to me. I seen a person they had put up, a person was like, how to make money online. And then they put, you log off and go to work. That was kind of funny to me. But also in the same time, I don't really, if it's something I don't write on people's stuff, if it's something I don't agree with, I kind of just let it be. I do have an opinion, but people are very sensitive in the time of age now, so I just kind of keep it whatever. I keep it moving. But one thing that I definitely wanted to talk about is that, what about that person that don't make a lot of money? What about that person that can't get overtime at their job? What about that person whose job is just constantly on them, it feels like they're following them around, trying to find something to fire them on or something, or for them to make them quit so they don't get unemployment. I never tell people to quit your job. I never tell people to do that. I say utilize your job. Get in it. It all takes mindset. Get in the mindset to where you're just pretty much like, there, I'm just here to get my money out this place so I can invest it in what I'm doing, and then I'm out. Or if you look to seek a goal of making 70 grand and you make 40 at your job, then okay, online marketing, I don't want to leave my family. I don't want to get a second job. I just want to be more around my family. And this is an easy way to do it. So 2 jobs is for 2 people. I always say that. But you can get in a situation where you can make money online, and depending on the opportunity that you're involved in, you can make $80 a day, $25 a day, $100 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day. It's really that. It's possible. But you got to get started, and you got to get online, and you got to really get yourself educated and get in the right thing. You can definitely join the program, and once you join, then what? You're going to be spinning your wheels. You're not going to make any money. Then scam, it didn't work. No, every fucking thing works. It's just most people don't know how to market. Most people don't want to take the time out and get into things like an Easy One Up or Conversion Pros so they can learn how to actually present their business. They can learn how to reach back out to the leads. They can learn how to have a system working for them. They can learn how to generate traffic to their business. If you don't have eyeballs on your business, you're not going to make fucking sales. At the end of the day, that's just how it goes. So when someone's really trying to show you how to get eyeballs to your business, showing you how to get a marketing system, those are the things that you need to learn how to do, because then you can have sales on autopilot. Then you can go to sleep and wake up to see that you got sales at 3, 4, 2, 5 o'clock in the morning. And you didn't talk to nobody. You didn't talk to a soul. The only thing you did was had a video working for you. And you had a link with a marketing system that works 24/7 and follows up with people. And then send an occasional broadcast out every day. It's that simple. I'm not even going to say it's simple. But you definitely want to take some time out to educate yourself. If you're going to educate yourself to be a doctor, what do you think you're going to be doing? If you want to be an online marketer, you want to make money online, you got to educate yourself on how to do that as well. It's no push button thing. It's just no free. It's not nothing simple and free that you can just do and just say, oh, I made $1 million, $1,000. I just sat here on my ass. No. Even if you're going to sell e-commerce products and sell stuff like that, you still got to learn how to do it. You got to pay for the education. Education is always going to be a key in any business. So I'm going to leave a link because I want you guys to get educated. Now, on this link, there's going to be 2 platforms that really I run together, and they help me do my thing. I can make $25 one-time payments. I make $25 residual payments. I make one-time $100 payments from the company, $250 payments, and $500 payments, and $1,000 payments. That's the potential payments that you can make as well. Okay, so why not get involved? I'm going to give you a free marketing system as well. So I'm going to show you our marketing system that I use, and I'm going to give you a free one so that way you can stand out on both ends. So, you know, you always want to switch it up when you're marketing. You know, people like to join people who look different. Who like, man, this dude always got something different that promotes this. He knows what he's doing. I want to be with him. Okay. I'm also going to give you access to my social media training for my social media ads for all platforms, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, video ads. Guys, I'm going to get you taken care of, okay? So I'm going to give you this free when you join. But you got to go ahead and you got to pick an actual product level if you're going to come in. And if you're going to come in TCP, which is the marketing system, you do have to be a paid member. See, TCP, you can come in, check it out for free, but you do got to get a paid member to get access to my bonus training, because that's information that I paid for, and I'm giving it away to my people for free. So, guys, I'm here to help. I'm just here to help. So I just want to wrap this up, man. I got my 4-year-old getting testing today, so he's ready to go to elementary, man, next year. So we got to do his test today. So he's very excited. So I'm making some runs for him and probably take him out to lunch and dinner we'll take him out to dinner when he gets done, just for him. You know, he's so excited today because he wants to take his test. So we're gonna see how he do on his test, and we're gonna probably surprise him with a nice little dinner. But definitely, guys, look forward to working with you. I'm not into that, I want to make money, I'm only making money. You know, I help my people, I talk to people, I send messages, I try to get information if I can, if it's something I don't know, just to help you out. Alright, so click the link at the bottom, check it out, man. You have questions, reach out to me. It is what it is, okay? I'm not no person that hides behind a computer. Reach out to me. I'm gonna reach back out. Alright, so this your boy Jay. You guys have a beautiful and blessed Tuesday. I'm out. Peace.